dog fans, I bet you didn't know that Hawaii had its own railroad. So we're going to take a little ride on this little railroad. You can tell that's not the car we're going to ride in, and that's not the locomotive that's going to take us anywhere, but it should be fun. So this is old and it'll be a good time. The Hawaiian Railway Society works to save Hawaii's rich railroad history. This educational nonprofit organization was able to get the remaining stretch of track on Oahu from Iwa to Nanakuli placed on the state and national registers of historic sites. Today, the Society has restored about 6.5 miles of track and works to restore more. 3 vintage diesel locomotives have been restored to operation and several steam locomotives have been cosmetically restored. They have the only historic railroad on the island of Oahu and the only operating railroad museum in the state.
All aboard!
Okay, so here we are on the railway, and here's our tour guide.
Everybody
Nathan.
wave.
When you come to Hawaii, you need to look up his website, Nathan's Hawaiian Tours. He specializes in the island of Oahu, and just contact Beth there for reservations. Right here, there's Beth, and there you go. Beth and Nathan. There you go. Nathan's hoping that I put this away, but I'm not going to. There you go. I can tell you stories about Nathan back from when he was in college.
Okay, no more.
I love those college stories. To the place I belong. Oh, that's not... Okay, that works. Country road. Ooh.
And welcome aboard the Hawaiian Railway. My name is Aiko, and I will be your narrator for today, which means I'll be talking about the railroad, its history, and all the cool things we'll be seeing along the way. Today you guys are on one of our ice cream rides, which means on our way back from our halfway point, we will stop in Ko'olina and give you guys the opportunity to get down off of the train to buy yourself some pretty good ice cream. So go ahead and make some noise if you guys are excited for some ice cream.
Yeah! I love pretty good ice cream.
Alrighty, awesome. And as we leave the station, if you guys see anybody down below, feel free to wave goodbye to them.
Betcha, her grandfather, her dad helps with this or somebody.
Cars all set in the way. Here we go. That is so cool, you know? Ethan, it's not too late to change careers.
Let's ride this train. Come on.
You ready?
I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part. They are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe. You know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life. You'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe. So take your seat. All right. Boy, come on, let's ride this train. Yeah, come on, let's ride this train. Oh, come on, let's ride this train. Oh, come on.
Oh, now it's doing video.
Let's ride this train.
No hesitation.